Hello, thank you for watching this video. I'd like to first show the dancing animations that are broken. So this is broken, you'll see that it will stop in the middle. This is broken again, it's going to stop in the middle. And this animation is also broken, it's going to stop in the middle. You can see that this is a loop, but it has no, this has a loop. I made a mistake. This has a loop. It doesn't have any starting animation. So from standing it'll look weird if I just play it, and this is the only walking animation I have. Now I don't really know whether there's a run animation or not because I didn't find any, and this is the idle animation that I'm using. There doesn't seem to be any run animation, and I'll just put this dancing animation right now, and this is going to be the dancing animation right here. This will be the only animation I can place. And other than that, I like to show the camera movement to you right now. So based on your suggestions and requirements, I have now made this kind of a camera which can actually rotate around the camera, around the player. And if the player clicks W, he's going to automatically rotate towards the movement direction with respect to the camera forward. So you can see that I can rotate the player like this, and I can also go back like this. And if I click C, I can go to the first person camera. I click C again and I'll be back to the third person camera that I was on. So this is the system that is made. Now I only need to put in the dancing animation and this is done.